This is a recipe for an awesome Japanese egg salad sandwich, or as Japanese people call it, an egg sandwich. I learned this recipe from Ryuji, one of my favorite Japanese cooking YouTubers. Link for his video in the description. This recipe is super easy. Start out by bringing a pot of water to boil, then add 3 cold eggs straight from the fridge. Lower them in carefully so they don't crack. Boil the eggs for 8 minutes, then cool them down in your sink or in an ice bath. When your eggs are cool, peel them and then cut them in half. They should be somewhere between a hard-boiled and a soft-boiled egg. Then add 2.5 tablespoons of Japanese mayo, about a half teaspoon of Japanese mustard, a pinch of salt, a pinch of crystallized umami extract, and about a teaspoon of melted butter. You can also add some cracked pepper if you want, but I forgot it, to be honest. Then just mix everything together with a spoon until you get the consistency that you like, and then give it a taste and adjust it with more salt if you think it needs it. Then get the whitest Japanese shokupan that you can buy, take the best slices from the middle of the loaf like I always do, and then butter both pieces of bread. Then just spoon on the egg salad, and if you want to be super Japanese, cut off the crust. And there you have it. Tuck in your shirt before you take your first bite because your clothes might just fly off.